Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So you asked for it, so here it is, the brand new Adams ceramic spray coating. According to Adams, this is an industry first because it combines a ceramic coating in an easy to use sprayable format. So you get the extreme gloss, you get the extreme hydrophobic properties and all the effects of a ceramic coating in an easy spray on wipe off formula. They say this is a 9H coating. So this is supposed to have the same hardness level as traditional ceramic coatings that typically come in these small bottles that you guys have seen me use on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to present the product, tell you more about it, of course, give you tips and tricks on how to use it, and you're going to see it in action. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start this show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'm presenting a brand new product from Adams Polishes, and it's the ceramic spray coating. Now what this is essentially, it's a ceramic coating in a sprayable format. Now this is very different, contrary to what people usually use in the sprayable formats, which are silica-based spray sealants, like for example, Adams Ceramic Boost 2.0 or CarPro Reload or Geon Cure. There are a lot of companies out there that have these silica-based spray sealants. The silica content inside there is actually usually only anything from 1 to 10%, so it's a very minimal amount, and they typically last 2 to 3 months. We mainly use these types of products as maintenance products for ceramic coating, so to maintain the finish and to boost the performance level of your current coatings. Now, you've all seen me use traditional ceramic coatings on my channel, something like this, which won my favorite coating of the year for 2018, CarPro Sea Quartz UK edition. Now, these ceramic coatings contain a lot more silica content, so silicon dioxide or SiO2 can contain up to 70%, like in the case of this CarPro Sea Quartz UK. And of course, they need a lot higher preparation of the paint, and they're much longer and tedious to apply. Typically, you need to apply two coats or more of this on your vehicle, and they come with an applicator block. You need those applicator suedes, and of course, well, they work extremely well. Durability of a product like this is 2 years or more, depending on how you maintain your vehicle. So to bridge the gap between the smaller, easier to use silica spray sealants like this, which typically only last 2 to 3 months, and the 1 to 2 years durability of a traditional ceramic coating, Adams released their ceramic spray coating. And well, according to me, because I haven't seen anything comparable to this yet, and to Adams, this is an industry first because it's a 9H coating, so the same hardness level as you'll get from your traditional ceramic coating, because this is 9H as well. By the way, the hardness levels or the H levels, well, essentially in a nutshell, your clear coat on your vehicle has an H rating of typically 3, so 3H. So ceramic coatings like this are anywhere from 7H to 9H. So 9H is the strongest hardness level that you can get out of a ceramic coating. And the Adams ceramic spray coating also is 9H. So the durability of this is said to be anywhere from 6 to 8 months. Of course, for long-term durability tests, we're going to have to wait, and I'll get back to you guys on that because this is a brand new product, so nobody has really tested this long-term, but I have no reasons to doubt that the claims aren't true. Adams is a very good company. By the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video, and I'll also make sure to include the links to all the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. But I'm going to show you how easy this product is to apply. So it's a higher concentrated SiO2 formula. They don't say or specify the amount of silica content in there. However, the longer durability tells me that this product must have a lot of the qualities of a full-blown ceramic coating, and the application is very easy. So if you're a weekend warrior, a DIY enthusiast, or somebody who just wants to have the effects of a ceramic coating, but are not really comfortable with the full-blown coatings and all the steps required, this is an easy way to bridge that gap. So you're going to add tons of gloss, depth, and of course pop to your paint. You're also going to have the hydrophobic properties, so that means the water is going to be beading and sheeting on your paint, making the vehicle a lot easier, of course, to maintain during maintenance washes, because typically ceramic coatings have self-cleaning properties, so it makes the vehicle easier to wash. Also, of course, this product, well, durability. So it bridges the gap between a silica spray sealant and a full-blown ceramic coating at 6 to 8 months. And of course, I'm going to be testing that to make sure I get back to you guys. The application is very, very simple. Of course, the more you prep your paint before, the better the product is going to perform. So you can use this as a standalone paint protection item, meaning you have a virgin clear coat and you want to apply some protection, go ahead and apply this. Or you can use it as a topper for your existing current ceramic coating. So it's going to boost the performance and longevity or durability of your ceramic coating by adding a layer or two of this on top. So using this is very simple, but of course you got to make sure that your paint is thoroughly prepped. So if you currently have a layer of wax or sealant, an older wax or sealant on your vehicle, what I strongly recommend is to use something like a strip wash shampoo. So this is going to help to remove or break down the older layers of waxes and paint sealants, because before you apply a ceramic coating, you want to make sure that your paint is as squeaky clean as possible and free of any previous protection items that are on there. So if your car has nothing, you're sure that it doesn't have any waxes or sealants or previous coatings, you can just use a quality shampoo like the Adams Car Shampoo to thoroughly wash it, rinse it over. Then you want to go ahead and decontaminate the paint. So you can use an iron remover. This is going to remove the embedded iron particles from your brake dust and industrial fallout that's on your paint. So you spray this on, let it dwell a couple of minutes, then rinse off. And then you're going to go ahead and do a clay bar stage. Very important to help remove any embedded contaminants that are in your clear coat. So you run your fingers on your paint, especially in the lower parts of the vehicle. And if you feel a bit of grit or embedded particles, it's time to clay. So you can use the Adams Detail Spray as a clay lube, because it's very important to have a lubricant while you're claying. And your choice of either a traditional clay bar, or what I like to use more and more these days is a clay towel. Again, don't worry guys, I'll include the links to all of these products in the description down below. So you spray clay lube, you rub your clay bar or clay towel or clay mitt on the paint to remove any embedded contaminants. Then you're going to thoroughly rinse and dry the vehicle. And before you go ahead and apply the ceramic spray coating, what you're going to want to do is use an IPA-based paint prep. So something like the Adams Polishes coating prep. Essentially, this is an IPA spray or isopropyl alcohol mix. This is going to help to remove any polishing oils if you polished your paint. So if you want to remove any scratches or swirl marks, it's time to compound and polish the paint before applying the coating. So once you're done with the polishing steps, you're going to IPA wipe down your paint. You basically spray it on thoroughly on the paint, and then you remove and buff off with a microfiber towel. And this is going to make sure that the paint is squeaky clean. Now, even if you already have a ceramic coating on your vehicle, you want to make sure that you spray an IPA prep like this. Once you're done washing and drying your vehicle, of course, spray the IPA wipe to make sure that the paint is thoroughly prepped and free of any contaminants or oils that might be on the vehicle. And then to apply this ceramic spray coating, then it's very, very simple. You essentially take 2 microfiber towels. So I use the Adams Polishes Plush microfiber towels in this case, just to keep it in the family. So you're gonna put a couple of sprays in your towel, and then you're gonna work the product into the panel in a crosshatch pattern, meaning up and down and left to right. You're gonna let the product dry for roughly 1 to 2 minutes, and you're gonna give it time to flash. Now, what does flash mean? Well, essentially, it's the carriers or solvents that are inside the product. When they have done doing their work and the product has bonded, they're going to evaporate. To know when it's time to buff off after 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to see a rainbow effect. So that's when you see a rainbow kind of a glow on the paint. That's when it's time to buff off. So you're going to take a second clean and dry microfiber towel, and you're going to buff all that residue away. And that's it. You should have a super glossy, slick to the touch finish and protection for months to come. So once you're done applying and buffing off the ceramic spray coating, you have to wait a period of 4 hours before exposing the vehicle to the elements or to rain or water. And that's a lot quicker than traditional ceramic coatings, which typically need 24 hours of cure time. So 4 hours for the Adams ceramic spray coating is pretty quick. That will allow the product to bond properly onto the paintwork, and you're going to get all the properties of a ceramic coating. So you get that protection, you get the water beading and water sheeting, those hydrophobic properties. Of course, you're going to get that gloss and depth to your paintwork, a lot of slickness to the touch. And well, of course, you also get the self-cleaning properties, which mean that the vehicle is going to be a lot easier to clean during maintenance washes. Now, for maintenance of the coating, you don't necessarily have to do anything. You're going to get that 6 to 8 months durability. But if you want to boost the coating's performance, well, after every 3rd or 4th wash, or let's say once every 2 to 3 months, if you don't want to apply it that often, you can use a silica spray sealant, something like Adams Ceramic Boost 2.0. This is essentially a lower concentration SiO2, quick to spray on and to remove, and this boosts your coating's performance and properties. So it's going to enhance the gloss. Of course, it's going to restore those hydrophobic properties. So if you see that your coating's performance is starting to diminish after 4, 5, 6 months, well, you go ahead and you apply this. I recommend applying silica spray sealants on a regular basis, so every 2 to 3 months or as often as you wish. So these are great maintenance products that are easy to apply and to remove. Now, where can you apply this? Well, basically on all exterior surfaces. So on the paintwork, on glass, on chrome, on plastic trim, on your wheels as well, even on bed liners for those of you who have trucks and pickup trucks. And you can also apply this on matte and vinyl surfaces like vinyl wraps. So pretty much any exterior surfaces. If you have that matte or satin wrap on your car or a matte or satin paint, this will not add gloss to it. So it's going to keep the finish. It's just going to bring a lot of depth and a lot of pop to that finish. So it's pretty cool. And of course, if you have a glossy, clear coated surface, well, it's going to boost the gloss. So it's a very versatile product that you can use pretty much on all exterior surfaces. All right, now to answer 2 commonly asked questions about the Adams ceramic spray coating. First of all, do I need to throw the microfiber towels away that were used to apply and buff off the product? The answer is yes. You have to treat your microfiber towels the same way as you would with a traditional ceramic coating, because the chemicals and the molecules that are inside there, once they harden up and cure in your microfiber towels, they're going to create some glass shards, which can eventually lead to scratch or mar your paint, so you don't want that. So once you're done applying this and removing this from the entire vehicle, you take your microfiber towels and you throw them away. Second question is, what's the lowest temperature I can apply this product in? Well, it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. That's roughly 4 degrees Celsius. So you never want to apply this, of course, in freezing temperatures because you want the optimal operating range. Of course, if you can, apply this at room temperature, but know that you can go all the way down to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius and still have a good user experience. So guys, now that you have my tips and tricks on how to apply the Adams ceramic spray coating and that you saw it in action, I'm sure you'd want to see this in a competition against other spray-on paint protectants. So in the comment section under the video, let me know against which other products do you guys want me to match this guy up and see how it compares to other of my favorite products out there. Also, again, I'll leave the links to all the products that I talked about today in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If that's the case, smash the thumbs up button to show me your support. Also, take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So if you want to learn more about car detailing, products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, you're at the right place. So thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.